The interesting thing about it is it's not just noise, it's kind of put together with a kind of loving care and attention.
You're forced to dive into the superhighway of the zeros and ones, the flow, and you're tested really in the middle of the ocean, like really fast flow of data.
A lot of what I think about and write about, the idea of like being like 15 years in the future and looking back at the time that I'm living in right now and kind of observing like what was going on and what led to this kind of like apocalypse or big world change. To express that impending doom, it's like, you know, pop music doesn't work anymore.
I'm just interested in something compositionally different. I prefer quicker music. For music that's
a little quicker than you can comprehend it. That's what excites me.
To me, it's not extreme. To me, it's like pretty.
The only thing I could express with my music is witness the miracle of existence, that we are all here doing these things and this wild stuff is happening in the room.